This is the Meliconi bottle and can crusher that I purchased from Amazon.com. It was shipped by a company in Israel. It took a few weeks to get here, but I received it yesterday, and I'm going to show you how it works. The only instructions that come with it are on this cardboard item that was around the Meliconi, and all of the instructions with some pictures, and the instructions are in several languages on the back of that card. I've made a sheet, and I will make that available as well. Now the actual piece is, there's a clip at the bottom. You have to unclip it. This slides off. It looks like this, and then the bottom has two pieces. This for cans, and then it looks like this. So there's not much to it. They say to do a bottle. You put the bottle in, you take the cover off, the top of it off, put the bottle in the top, put the other piece over it. You should be seeing the top of the bottle, and you don't, so let's move it up a little bit so you see the top. And then when I push down on it, it goes in place. It says at this point you should put the cap back on. I guess that's so air doesn't get in and it doesn't get bigger again. You push that button forward, take it out, and it's crushed. Not a bad job for a bottle. That was a smaller bottle. Now for a can, it says what to do is you have to dent it like that, then put it in, then this piece goes on top, then you push the whole piece down, and you push down till it locks in place. Unlock it. Not the easiest in the world to do, but when you unlock it, you take this off, and you have a crushed can. Not as crushed as I had hoped it would be, but you know, it doesn't do a darn bad job. Again, let's do one more can just to show you how it's done. Do this, take the cola can, put that on, put this on top, put this in, push down, lift back up, take this off, and you got a crushed can. And that's it.